Check this out. What's that? A helicopter. From the 26.0, remember? Oh yeah, right. Now it's classified as our news helicopter. Oh my gosh, it's long. Yeah, let's hop on. Let's go. We're going to use this for the Endless City Part 3. Well, I'm waiting for it to come. Yes, sir. This might be glitchy, but we're taking the risk. I call it Gamer Apple News Helicopter. Gamer Apple, do you know how to use this thing? Yeah, I've used this before. Show me your flying skills. Flying a helicopter be like all off my god seas.
Again? Oh God, no.
We're flying again. All right. We're flying through the sky. Oh my god.
Mayday, mayday.